In this video, I want to show you guys how you can make money on a stock that is not moving at all. So for most retail investors, it is a very frustrating experience if you bought a stock. Let's say you found a company and you believe that this company is going to perform well, and you decided to buy shares from this company, and you're looking inside your portfolio 3 months after, 6 months after, 1 year later, and possibly even 5 years later, and you see absolutely no gain. That stock has done absolutely nothing. Worst case, it even went down a little bit or it went up a little bit, but really nothing significant has happened with your invested money. And this is a problem that a lot of retail investors are definitely facing, and it can be quite frustrating. So here I want to show you guys an opportunity how you can still profit from a stock that is not moving at all. So in this example, I'm going to show you guys AAL, which is going to be American Airlines. And here we can perfectly see that, let's say in 2020, you decided to buy the stock somewhere around here, around $17. Now we can see that in the next 5 to 6 years, really nothing has happened. The stock went up a little bit to maximum $24, and the bottom was somewhere around $10. But if you bought somewhere right here around $15, you're literally stuck at the exact same price 5 to 6 years later. So every retail investor that decided to buy the stock here, which was a reasonable price, as we can see here, you didn't make a terrible decision, but the stock price just moved nowhere. So how can we solve that? I am teaching this inside the premium cycle. It is a part of my strategy, the premium cycle, where we sell covered calls to the upside. So we are committing ourselves and saying we are willing to possibly sell our shares if they, for example, reach a strike price of $22. And for this commitment, we are getting paid a premium by the market. Because let's say you own the shares at a cost basis of $15, somewhere around here, $15, and you need at least 100 shares for this. Because what you need to understand is options are always traded in 100 pack of shares. So one option equals 100 shares. So you can either way sell one covered call or multiple covered calls, depending on if you own at least 100 shares of a company or 200, 300, or 400 or more. I think you get the picture here. And then you can go ahead and commit yourself to possibly sell these shares at a higher strike price than where you own these shares at. And for this commitment, the market is paying you a premium because you committed yourselves to sell at that strike price. If the stock, for example, would rise above that strike price, you're still going to sell your shares at the strike price that you chose. But as we can see here, the stock is not moving so much. Let's compare it right here. A retail investor that just bought it and was just holding on to the stock is sitting 5 to 6 years later with exactly the same investment. No capital gain, nothing interesting has happened. Quite frustrating if you ask me. A retail investor who bought American Airlines 5 years ago and consistently sold covered calls to the upside generated a safe, passive monthly income on American Airlines every single month. So a retail investor who decided to trade this strategy to apply the mechanics of the premium cycle made a very attractive passive income for the past 5 years on American Airlines. So we can see here that you don't even need any fancy stock. We don't even need a lot of movement, because if you know exactly how the mechanics work, and if you are a member of the premium cycle, you would have made a great income from this stock. This stock is, in matter of fact, perfect for you. This is a wonderful stock for this strategy. You just need to know the exact mechanics and the rule book of the strategy, because for a simple buy and hold retail investor, this stock would be the most devastating stock ever to purchase. There's many other stocks out there that have similar charts to this one. And I wanted to share this with you guys because I know that many retail investors are experiencing exactly this problem, and it doesn't need to be like this. So if you're interested in my strategy, the premium cycle, then click the link in my bio. Join my community. I have a full course there for you guys where I explain the strategy step by step so you understand exactly what I was talking about here. And I am also sharing my live trades with you guys there so you can benefit from that as well. So click the link in my bio and I will see you there, guys.